Hey guys, welcome back to Master V and Sons channel. Today we're going to show you guys how to install these door seals on 2017 Honda Pilot.
Step 1, we have cleaned off the surface. Step 2, we are going to align the seal with the rubber part to the surface. And now we apply pressure. And that's the end of step 2. Now that we have installed this on this side, we have to repeat it and do the same thing on the other side. And now the other side. Step 1 is clean off the surface with the antibacterial wipe. Step 2 is peel off the sticky layer, the door seal. And step 3 is apply the door seal on the surface and apply pressure to keep it there. And now that we finished with the back, let's start on the harder ones. And now the harder part, or the front door seal plates. Pretty much you want to do the same thing, but with this one, they come with a wire because of the LED lights. So first we're going to take off the sticker, we're going to clean off the surface, and then we're going to apply with pressure. But now, because it comes with the cable, you have to connect it to the main car, or the main frame. And by doing that, you light up the whole thing. And that's pretty much the harder part. In this operation, it's the same thing. First, clean off the surface. Step 2 is take off the sticker. And apply pressure or put it in or align it with the surface. Now you want to apply pressure so it sticks well and stays there forever. So now that we have applied pressure and have gotten this thing to go, so now it's the electricity part. Yeah. So you have already filmed this, but the first step is get the wire and run it underneath the rubber part. Next is to move away the first panel, the second panel, and the third panel so you can run the wire into the main frame. The first step is cut the see-through film in half. With that sealer frame, we're going to cover the door part so we could put a clip over it so the wire will be safe. So now we're going to add the clip. And with the wire, we're going to put it over the door metal part so that the wire will always be safe and never rip. And then we're going to cut the aluminum or metal part film. and put the rubber part over it so it never is visible that we did any work. So now is the plugging in part. With this wire that's in our dad's hand, we have already plugged it. The reason we already plugged it in, as you can see over there, is because it was too hard to get in. So we just did it right away, so it'd be easier to film. But we have plugged in the door seal wire into one of the ends, and the other end into the main frame. There's another wire for extra needs. Before tightening the main wire, we want to plug this one in to see if the power works. And as you see, it works. Now we can start on putting it and packing it back up. Now that we see as everything works, we are ready to plug in the main wire and tighten it. So we have these zip ties that came in with the box, and as you can see, we tightened this one so the wire wouldn't move, and cut the rest of it off, the unnecessary part. And the last part is to tuck it in away neatly so we could put all the compartments back together. And by doing that, we will use the other zip tie that we were given to tie it up with the other wires. And voila! Now on to putting everything back. We're going to align this wire to connect with the other piece and put this whole panel back where it was. Last panel, and that's the last of it. Wha-bam. So on the other side, we're going to want to take apart the first panel. Panel 2. On the door side, the first thing we want to do is, with the alcohol wipe, we want to clean the surface off from all dust and dirt. Take off the rubber and get ready. apply it with the door so it all works out together well. And apply pressure so it sticks on. Last, you want to keep the wire safe. So we're going to apply with the see-through film. Then we're going to add a clip. We're going to put the wire in, and over the wire we're going to get this reflective film and cover it so it gets away from scratches and whatever could happen while the car's moving. Next, we can get the zip ties and connect the smaller wire with the bigger wire to keep it from moving. Okay. And now we're going to be putting back everything. About this wire right here, this blue taped up connector. What is this for? The reason this is for is to plug in back LED lights if you have them. You'll need an extension for this, but that's the only way and possible way to plug it into the back to make them look nice. Hey guys, in our previous video we talked about the PS4. Now we're talking about the door seals. So guys, thank you guys for watching. Tell us what you think. Please like and subscribe for all the subscribers that we have. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for liking. Comment what you guys think of the next video should be, or comment if you guys have any questions. See you guys and have a great day.